Hi and welcome to my channel. Open the file. This video will be about parapet and external finishing. Open level 2 and roof floor plans. Let's hide the unnecessary elements from the views. Open the east elevation plan. In the roof plan, click wall. Change its type to the CMU 200. Change the location line to finish face exterior. Give it an unconstrained height of 80. Now click above the roof walls. Click the 3D icon to open the 3D view. Go to level 2 plan and repeat the process to create a parapet wall in the two highlighted places. Hide the unnecessary elements from this view. Also, hide the unnecessary elements from the linked file. Let's see it in the 3D view. Now in the roof plan, click railing. We'll use this technique to create railing above the parapet wall. Change the base offset to 80, which is our parapet wall height. Click above the external edge of the parapet wall. Let's check it in the 3D view. Okay, we need to shift it to the center of the parapet wall. Click Dimension to check the distance between the center of the railing and the center of the parapet wall. It's 10 centimeters. Hit Escape to leave the dimension command. Select the railing and click Edit Path. In the Properties area, change the offset from path to -10. Let's see it in the 3D view. Now it's in place. In level 2, repeat the process to create the railing above the parapet wall. Don't forget to change the offset from the path to -10. Go to level 1 and hide the unnecessary elements. Click Wall and choose the cement plaster 25 mm that we created in the first video in this series. Concentrate it to level 2. Start from the external edge of the walls. Open the west elevation plan. Now select the plaster wall and click Edit Profile. Notice that this wall has two heights. Use the edit profile to adjust its shape so it goes side by side with the CMU block wall that we created previously. Let's see it in the 3D. Now let's adjust the other places corresponding to the fenced area. Select them and in the properties area change their height to 200. Let's change their top constraint to level 2 and the top offset to -100. Open the south elevation plan. Notice that we have a gap in the wall column intersection area that is not covered in plaster. Use the edit profile tool to fix that. In the level 1 plan, click the unhide button to reveal the hidden column. Now drag and adjust the plaster wall in a way that covers the column from its sides. Click the hide button again. Go to the 3D view. We still have a small gap in the column that is not covered with plaster. Let's fix it. Select the plaster wall and click Create Similar. In the Properties area, change the base offset to 100. Now cover the remaining half side of the column. Now it's perfect. Now, using the same technique, cover all the external walls and columns faces with the plaster wall. Adjust the top offset to 80. I made a mistake in this area. It should have an inclined roof. Let's fix the parapet and the railing for this area. Move the vertical CMU wall parallel to the room's side wall and delete the horizontal one. Hide the railing temporarily so we can adjust the walls. Now adjust the plaster wall to cover the CMU wall. And hide the railing and edit its path. Now click Roof to create a roof. Choose the generic 125 mm. Select the left side of the roof and click Define Slope. Do the same with the up and the down sides of the roof. In the Properties area, change the slope to 15. Click Finish and let's see it in the 3D. Yes, that's fine. Let's do the back storage area too. You should have something like this. Let's start working on the floors. Click Floor. Do the same as you see on the screen. Let's see it in the 3D view. Okay, this is the garage floor. Let's create the gardens also. Open Level 2 floor plan and click Floor. Change the height offset to 15. Change the floor type to floor concrete 100 mm. Do the same with the roof and create concrete floor for it. Now let's work on the subsurface levels. Open the base of the footing and the top of the footing floor plans. Hide the unnecessary items from the view. Click Floor to create a floor. Choose Floor Generic 300 mm. Edit type, then duplicate and rename it as you see on the screen. Change the material to earth. Now start creating the floor and the empty places among the footings. Put in mind we are creating the soil part of the floor to be properly represented in the section views. Open the 3D structural foundation view. Hide the previously created floor to show the newly created soil floor. Change the graphic display options as you see. Let me close the unused tabs for now. Unhide the temporarily hidden elements in the base of the footing plan. Double-click on the section detail to open the section view. Change the earth floor's height offset to 30 to be properly leveled. Unhide the temporarily hidden elements to show the concrete floor. Go back to the detail view to adjust the concrete floor level. Change the offset to 0. OK, select the earth floor and edit type. Rename it to 40 mm, then change its height accordingly. The footing height was 40, not 30. Change its offset to 40. Now it's fine. Select the concrete floor and change its offset to 10. Open the base of the footing plan and in the Properties area click Edit View Range. Change it as you see on the screen. Open top of the footing plan and in the Properties area click Edit View Range. Change it as you see on the screen. Hide the unnecessary items in this view. Open the Visibility Graphics option menu. Scroll down and activate the walls. In the Properties area, click Edit View Range again. Change it as you see on the screen. Continue hiding the unnecessary items. Create another earth floor for this plan also. Edit type and rename as you see on the screen. Change the height accordingly. Remember to select the edges that represent the empty spaces among the wall footings and columns. Open the section view. Change the offset to 30. Now it's okay. Go to level 1 plan. Hide the unnecessary elements temporarily in this view. When you get to the concrete floor 100 mm, click Edit Boundary. Select and delete the old boundary and create a new boundary, in which you select the spaces among the CMU walls. Click Finish. Now let's move to the garage area and delete its floors because we need to make several layers as we did for the rest of the house. Go to bottom of the footing plan and hide the unnecessary elements temporarily. Create a 400 mm earth floor in the garage area like the rest of the house. Change the height offset to 40. Let's see it in the 3D view. Go to the top of the footing plan and repeat the process for this level. Go to level 1. Open the Visibility Graphics menu. In the Filters tab, click Add. Choose Walls Filter and click OK. Select the Walls filter and click Edit New. In the Equals drop-down menu, select the Cement Plaster 25 mm wall type, then click OK. Now uncheck the visibility option for this condition to exclude the plaster wall from the plan. Click OK. Hide the earth layers temporarily. Open the Visibility Graphics menu again and check the columns again so we can see them. Click Floor and select the concrete floor and create the garage floor as you see on the screen. Click slope arrow and create slope from the north to the south of the garage area. Select the slope arrow and change its height offset to 1.5. Click Finish. Go to Section 2 Plan. Select the garage floor and change its height offset again to 10. That's better. Now on level 1, click Floor and select Earth 300, then Edit Type. Duplicate it and rename as you see on the screen. Change the thickness accordingly. Create the garden earth floor as you see. Okay, our height was wrong. Select the newly created floor and adjust its name and thickness as you see on the screen. Go to level 1 and unhide the temporarily hidden elements. Open the Visibility Graphics menu and disable the filter. Go to the 3D view. We still need to make a final adjustment to the garage area. Select the garage concrete floor and click Edit Boundary. Do as you see on the screen. Select the garage earth layer and adjust it too. Go to the roof plan and let's create a floor there. Click Edit Type and let's create a new type. Do as you see on the screen. In the search bar, type walk to find the walkway, then add it to the project. Change the dimensions of the walkway tile to 100 by 100. In the Graphics tab, click the Model button. Select the 250mm squares and duplicate it. Change the naming and dimensions as you see on the screen. Click the Use Render Appearance to give us a color near the real color. Click it again so we can adjust the color, then adjust it as you see on the screen. Do it with the lines color also to make them darker. Click OK and let's start making a roof external outdoor floor. Let's check it on the 3D. Go to level 2 plan and repeat the process and make floors for the external outdoor parts of the level 2. Let's see it in the 3D view. That's perfect. Now select the ugly green roof and let's change its material to reflect the roofing material. Name it anything for now, we will change it later. Type Spanish in the search bar. Select the roofing tile and add it to the project. Click the Use Render Appearance 2 times, then adjust its color. Now rename again as you see on the screen. Select the small roof on the entrance area and change it too. Let's make another floor from grass material for the garden. Do as you see on the screen. Adjust its height as you see. Change the display options to realistic. It's starting to look good. Okay guys, that's it for this long video. Like, subscribe and comment. Be in peace.